Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought that I would set up my vlog camera and film a very just sporadic laid back video of me opening up some of my P.O. box packages. I just went to go pick some up and I thought that I would share with you what is inside of them. So if you guys want to see what I got, then go ahead and keep on watching. The first thing that was sent to me was this anti-aging moisturizer by the brand eljalbeauty. And they wanted me to share a little bit of information about this cream with you guys. The first thing is that the first ingredient is actually pure aloe vera leaf juice and not water. So that's going to make the lotion thicker and silkier than a water-based cream, and it's going to give you better results. So it's going to like help with skin texture within 30 days. It's super thick. It almost looks like a makeup primer, but I really like it. It feels super hydrating, really amazing. It's sunk into the skin really quickly and it's making my skin look incredible. And it's not scented, so it's really good for people with sensitive skin. So I'm going to be giving this a try over the next 30 days to see if it does help with the texture of my skin, because you guys know that I have some pretty decent skin texture, like on the lower halves of my cheek and then definitely on my forehead. So I want to see if this helps. And then they did let me know that if I do end up liking this moisturizer, then they're willing to team up and do a giveaway for you guys. So I will keep you updated if I like this, and then I will let you know how you can win one of these for yourself. The next thing that I got was from the brand Patchology. This is the Rejuvenating Eye Gel. These have caffeine, hydrolyzed collagen, and hyaluronic acid. And it comes in a little pot like this. And there's a little scooping tool. And it looks like you have the patches in here that you put underneath your eyes. I'm really excited to give these a try. I've been having super dry under eyes recently, especially since it's been so dry in LA. So I'm really excited to see how those work for me. The next thing that I got is from the brand Ish. Hey Eliana, we hope you love these Ish goodies and can't wait to see how you rock them. XO Ish. And their handle is I'm Smoking Hot. So you guys can see it right there. So inside the box, we have some everything wipes. These are makeup remover wipes that are enriched with sunflower, olive, jojoba, and lavender oils to take everything from waterproof to long-wearing makeup off, free of paraben and sulfates. Dying to see how these work, and I'm curious to see if they are going to sting my eyes or not, because my eyes are super sensitive. The next thing in there was this cute little makeup pouch with Ish on it. And Ish, by the way, in case you don't know, is FabFitFun's in-house beauty brand. So they sent all this stuff out to try. They also gave me a coupon code, by the way, if you guys are interested in any of the stuff I'm about to show you. It's Eliana15. So inside the little bag, we have the Statement Reds Lip Palette. Let's see what this looks like. Make your lips pop with color enriched with rose extract, shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, and aloe vera for extra moisture and easy wear. So that sounds amazing. So the packaging is cardboard. It's like that sturdy cardboard material. There's a mirror in here, which I love. And then this is what the palette looks like. And it comes with a little lip brush in there as well. The next thing in here is a contour kit. This is the medium dark one. I hope that it works for me. Let's see what the colors look like. Color, sculpt, and define your features with this one-of-a-kind contour kit. The all-inclusive palette includes a highlighter, blush, bronzer, and contour that work together to give you a very simple and flawless look. So again, we have that cardboard packaging and a beautiful mirror inside, and I actually love this. So you have a highlighter, a blush, you have a slight shimmer bronzer, and then a matte one as well to contour. This looks like it may be a tad dark for me, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try anyways and see if it works for me. The highlighter also looks like it's gonna be a little bit dark for me as well, but the formula is super smooth and pigmented. Let's see the bronzer. Oh my god, this is so pigmented and so smooth. I'm definitely gonna give this a try and see if it works for my skin tone. But look at that bronzer, look how pigmented that is. The next thing in here is their Smoky Shadow Palette. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. This is pretty. I like this a lot, actually. So this is the eyeshadow palette right here. I think that it's absolutely stunning, especially this shade right here. It reminds me a lot of that NARS Galapagos eyeshadow, and I never owned it. Actually, no, it's a little bit more glittery than that shadow. Wow, these are pigmented. So smooth. I love the colors in here, especially I like that you have a nice light transition shade and then something a little bit darker to start making it deeper, and then you have a black to deepen it even more, and then you have a pop of gold, a nice bronzy shade, and then a pop of purple. The shade that I normally gravitate towards when I'm doing a pop of color is purple, so I love that purple is the pop of color in here. These are so pigmented, you guys. I'm really, really impressed with the formula. It's so buttery smooth. I love it. Look at that. It's amazing. And then there are a bunch more things in this little makeup pouch as well. So we have a couple of shimmy shadow pots. This is cool because I honestly have never even heard of this brand or seen anybody talk about this, so this is really exciting. So this packaging for these little pot eyeshadows are the same as the ColourPop eyeshadows. Oh my god, this is stunning. These remind me of those like Stila eyeshadows that come in the pots. This is so pretty. It's like flakes. This is gonna be such a beautiful lid color. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm dying over this. Do you see that? Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm totally using this in a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, 100%. Guys, I'm so impressed by the quality of this stuff. It's like not normal. This one is in the shade About Last Night. This one, oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my god, there's like some purple and gray reflex in here. Oh my god, these are so pretty. This is in the shade Disco Ball. Oh my god, that's Disco Ball right there. These are stunning. Guys, use my code Eliana15, 15% off. I do not make commission at all if you use that code. It's just for you guys. This one is Party in Pink. This is one of my favorite lid colors to use. Oh my god. Oh my god. I want to put these on my eyes literally right now. So next up we have some eyeliners. This one is in the shade Blackout. I have high expectations because everything else that we've tried so far has been amazing. This is super creamy, very pigmented, but I will say that it's more of a gray black. It's not like a true solid black, but in the waterline you probably wouldn't be able to tell. Oh my god, they gave some makeup brushes as well. This one is an eyeliner brush. This one right here is a nice dense blending brush. Wow, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate this. We have another eyeliner pencil. This is in Teal It. I love teal. I love teal eyeliners, you guys. I used to only wear teal eyeliner when I was in high school. That's all I would wear. I would wear teal eyeliner on my upper lash line, and that was my makeup look. Look how stunning that is. I'm so impressed by everything so far. This one's so cute. There are no names on the brushes. I wish there were names on the brushes, but this is a nice little domed pencil brush. It feels a little bit dense for me personally. We have this tiny little like detailing brush, and we have something to pack some shadows on the lid right here, but it kind of feels a little bit too flimsy to kind of like pack a lot of pigment on the lid. So we'll see how those brushes work. The brushes I'm iffy about. Everything else I'm like giving a 10 out of 10. This eyeliner right here is called Trophy Life, and it is a beautiful, looks like a champagne color. These are so pretty. That's that one right there. So that's everything in that little pouch. I am going to be using pretty much all of this in a makeup tutorial soon, you guys. I'm so pleasantly surprised and impressed by everything that I just swatched. So thank you, Ish, again so much for sending me all of this. I'm blown away. So moving on, the next package that I have is from Double Dare. This is their like mask kit. So I've seen this headband around social media. It's like one of those headbands, and it says, oh my god, this is so cute. This is great to wear while you're doing your makeup or while you have masks on your face. So they sent a couple of different masks. This one is a 2-step detox bubbling microfiber mask. This one right here is a 3-in-1 peel off mask. This one looks cool. And then this one is a 4-in-1 zone system mask. This one sounds amazing, so you can combat the different areas on your face with like different types of masks. And it comes with a little brush to apply it as well. Next up, we have this giant box from Inoar, I want to say. This is so pretty. Look at this presentation. I'm obsessed. This is so cute. And something smells really good. So it looks like it's all hair products. The first thing in here is a macadamia hair mask, it looks like. The writing is really small on this packaging. This smells so good. Holy crap. This is cruelty free as well. Massage and leave in for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse. This is like a deep conditioner. This smells so good. Next we have an argan oil. Look at this bottle. This is so pretty. This one doesn't smell as good. It smells good. It doesn't smell as good. It smells like hotel, like spa scent, but not as powerful. This one also smells insane. This is an argan oil thermaless defrizz. I don't know. There's a lot of different languages on here. It's a long-lasting defrizz balm for frizzy, curly, and unruly hair with or without chemical treatment. How to use: apply a small amount of product on the palms and spread over wet or dry hair. Dry straight with a hair dryer, and if desired, finalize with a straightening iron to extend the straight effect. I'm definitely going to give this a try and see if it helps with frizziness. And this right here is an argan oil shampooing and conditioner system. Ooh, it exploded a little. Maybe that's what I'm smelling in the box. It smells insane. So they are a Brazilian brand. So I'm gonna give that all a try and see if I like it. And if I do, I'm definitely gonna contact them and see if I can get a coupon code for you guys to try out. Because if it's as good as it smells, oh my God. My hands smell amazing now too. So I just started to import the footage to my computer and the doorbell rang. I got a package from Sigma. So let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. They sent me their new Sig Magic Scrub. This is the solid makeup brush cleaner. I really liked their liquid one. The only thing was that the pump kind of kept on getting stuck whenever I tried to like spray stuff out of it. Nothing would come out because it would get jammed. So I'm assuming that this is the same formula but in a solid form, and then you kind of have that same, like their spa cleaning mats, the texture is in the soap, so it kind of scrubs and cleans your brushes at the same time, and then you can put it on the side of your sink so it doesn't move anywhere. And then the cap is open so that it stays ventilated and it doesn't get moldy and gross when you are waiting for it to dry. So I'm so pumped to give this a try. I need to clean my brushes, and I was thinking of doing an updated how to clean your makeup brushes video, and I'm definitely going to be using this in there. So that is it for this super quick P.O. box unboxing. Thank you so much to all the brands that sent me stuff. I really appreciate it so much, and it's so humbling and also very exciting that these brands are sending stuff to me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.